So, Walt, this kitchen,
Yes.
I'd say maybe late 90s, early 2000s even. I
reckon.
think it's probably seen better days. It's definitely been through its heyday. I mean, we've done bathrooms, we've done decks, we've done plenty of things, but we've never done a kitchen.
No, that's right. And it's an area unfamiliar to me, actually.
Well, I am going to set you a little task.
Oh, God.
So this kitchen is definitely in need of, I would say, replacement. I want you to think about all the things that I constantly preach. Think about the space as a whole. Think about the aesthetic of the home. Think about what you're putting in here and make sure it's going to work with what the rest of the house,
So
the story
not a
that's
bright
going
red
on.
glossy kitchen?
Probably not,
Okay.
no. I'm going to set you a budget.
How much?
10 grand. You can definitely pull in whatever favours you
Yeah.
need to deliver this kitchen, but I am going to leave you to it. I'm going to come back at the end of the show, see how you've gone.
So that's 2 days in TV time.
Yep.
Morning, Nick. Hi, mate.
Morning, Walt.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Bit of chaos. You got the memo about the kitchen.
I did.
Is this even possible?
Mate, it is possible. With the right people, with the right products, the right planning, we can get this done.
So I'm thinking, to match the style of the house, this is a Hampton kitchen range from Principal Kitchens.
Okay.
So you've got nice clean white lines. It's
Yeah,
got a bit
that
of a
looks
classic
great.
look, but it's modern.
Okay.
And I think really we should be, looking good. What do you reckon?
We'll get this done.
Very cleverly, Principal Kitchens did most of the work for us. So in terms of the planning anyway. So you measured last week.
Yep.
We sent those along with some photos to the store and they printed out everything we needed, like the list of absolutely everything down to the new screw that we needed, didn't they?
Nth degree.
The biggest problem we've encountered is the waste is a bit too high here.
Yeah.
So we're going to lower that down and run it through the kicker.
Because the old sink here didn't used to drain as quick as it probably should have done anyway.
Yep.
So that would have been why, wouldn't it?
Yep.
But I think we can fix that today.
Yep, definitely.
Good one, mate. I'll leave you to it. Thank you,
very
mate. Now listen, Brady's from Bradlake and he's our electrician for the day. Do you reckon this is achievable, a whole kitchen reno in one day?
Mate, you guys are crazy. Every time we come to do these things,
Welcome
it's always the
to
same.
television, as they say.
Yeah.
What are we up against here? Because it is an older house, isn't it?
Yeah, so these old places, there's like a lot of old wiring and obviously that sort of stuff been done over the years.
Yep.
So we really need to make sure that we've checked everything, tested everything, make sure it's all safe.
Absolutely huge day ahead. I'm pretty keen to see if we can do this in one day. But we'll take a quick break and we'll come back later in the show and see how our new Principal Kitchens is looking. Welcome back to Healthy Homes Australia. Now, earlier on in the show, if you remember, we got to work ripping out this old 90s kitchen and replacing it with a glossy and shiny new Principal kitchen. And, well, despite a couple of problems, we are almost there. Nick is our builder today from Lonsdale Group. Good to see you, mate.
Mate.
So, making progress. I feel like things have come to a bit of a standstill. Any problems you need to tell me about?
No, all under control, mate.
So we've gone with a benchtop from Polytec, and this is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? It looks like real stone.
Yeah, it is. It's from the Matera range with a super matte finish. So it's come up really well.
Yeah, it looks like stone, so it's like a kind of hardened laminate.
It is.
Yeah, so it's easy to work with, and it's affordable for a kind of designer look, isn't
Yeah,
it?
definitely. And it's quick turnaround time from when you order it as well.
Can we rip this off yet or not?
Not just yet.
Just-
Let's leave this for a little bit.
Just be
We'll get to it
patient.
later.
All right, I'm being patient.
Well, I think what we want to do is honour the bones of the building first, and we want to make sure that we're looking at the style on Hampton. So
Yeah.
we'll put a couple of pendants in to keep the decorative feature there for you.
Nice.
And then we'll also do some LED strips, so along the top of the walls to give it ambience and some height as well.
Wow, because they are quite high ceiling.
Oh, they're
aren't they?
really
Yeah.
high ceiling. So nice warm tone.
Yep.
And then we need to get rid of the existing fan. So we're going to put a really nice black fan in. It's DC, so it's cheaper to run.
Now, in terms of fridge freezers, well, I have dramatically upgraded the old one that was here. This is one of my favorite fridge freezer brands. It's a Beko. And inside there is Everfresh Plus technology, and that can help keep your food fresher for up to 3 times longer than standard fridge freezer technology. And the blue light, Well, there's method to that. It's not just for its good looks. That can actually help preserve the vitamin C in your fruit and vegetables just that little bit longer. But of course, it's the looks that won me over. How good does this fridge freezer look? All right, well, obviously this wall lends itself to a piece of art. Not really part of my kitchen reno, but I think this might finish it off nicely. This is by an artist called Jacqueline Stevens. She's Australian. It's called Bio Bloom 3. It's pretty cool. Like, it's very different. I really like it. I think it might add a bit of a pop of color into the room and really bring it all together. You can buy art online. It's affordable and they deliver it to your door. If you jump onto bluethumb.com.au, you'll find all of this kind of stuff there. In terms of appliances, well, we actually all got those as well. The oven, the dishwasher, and the cooktop from Mitre 10. And these work really well to suit that kitchen design. What I find totally amazing is that in most cases, Principal Kitchens will have your designer kitchen delivered within 2 weeks. That is a huge achievement. Plus, they're manufactured with sustainability in mind, so they're a little bit kinder to the environment. This kitchen has a real sense of luxury, but it is all very affordable. But it's just the little things like the soft close doors and the soft close hinges on those drawers as well. They've got premium range German-made drawer runners, so it really feels good to close. How good is it? How amazing is the finished thing? I am actually astonished I pulled this together. But you know, it's clean, it's fresh, it matches the house. It is a Hampton style kitchen from Principal Kitchens. And you know, designing a kitchen can be really daunting and really hard work. My advice is just get your measurements, get some inspiration, get your plans, and go and speak to the team at Principal Kitchens because they thrive off creating things like this. It is our very first full kitchen renovation on Healthy Homes, and I'm very impressed, and I think Dani is going to be very proud of us for pulling this together in record time. Now, to see the entire range of Principal Kitchens, you can find all of that on the Mitre 10 website. Just jump onto mitre10.com.au.
Well done.
You like it?
That is fantastic. The difference is really, really amazing.
Obviously, it filmed over 2 days.
Obviously.
But that is a very quick reno and it looks fantastic. We're all very happy.
Yeah, for sure. I probably wouldn't try that at home in 2 days. I don't know if you would succeed.
AD, what an amazing day. Thank you so much for having us. Your house is just beautiful.
Yeah.
And